Welcome to this Android and Google channel, and this is the Android news for Thursday, September 27th, 2018. And today, in our Android and Google news, we have Google Project Treble, which is kind of an interesting project that promises to have, starting with Android 9 Pie, faster updates on devices. Now, what is happening is that this was supposed to actually increase the speed of updates, including security updates, for everyone, but it doesn't seem to be happening really. So everybody and a lot of people are actually wondering what is happening. This Project Treble promised to have manufacturers talk a little more with Google and have things ready so that the major manufacturers of smartphones and tablets would not have to actually test as much the newer versions, but it doesn't seem to be working right now. Google is among the big tech companies with Twitter and Facebook to sign a code of conduct to deal with fake news and, of course, meddling in different countries' elections by foreign states. Of course, we heard a lot of that news from the US, but apparently also for European elections. They will be actually checking out and making sure that fake news is to a minimum to, stop the fake news from maybe changing or possibly affecting election results. Android is at 10 years and it has gone from a hated and weird operating system compared to the iOS operating system of Apple in the first phones to actually 2 billion devices around the world, being the major and most popular operating system around right now. And its latest version, Android 9 Pie, is showing how it can actually be a really good OS. And this is very interesting. At 10 years, I am preparing a set of videos for this channel that will actually show you all sorts of little things and maybe even have some little information that will surprise you about Android. Google is celebrating 20 years and it has a special doodle today. This is the doodle. Of course, there's a play button in the box, the blue box at the bottom, but there's apparently Easter eggs, different little things that are not necessarily visible right now, but that you can find on the search page. That means go on the search page and see if you can find some of the hidden stuff. Talking of Google, Google is updating its search, as we have been talking this week. You can now find easily what you have been searching for in the search history page, as it is actually remodeling the search history page. I will, of course, do a video showing you how to go to that search history, because it's very nice. It's easy to find maybe something you searched for a few weeks ago or a couple of months ago. We learned that Toyota would be integrating Android Auto in its vehicles. Well, now it seems that Jaguar and Land Rover will also be integrating the Android Auto system in their cars and trucks. So this is going to be interesting to see. Facebook had mentioned earlier this year that a major redesign of its Messenger app for Android was coming, and it started rolling out now. So you will have a easier to understand app apparently, and even get the dark theme. So some of you already have it, but it's not rolled out to everybody yet. And of course, it's going to be something interesting to look at if you want to learn a little more about, the newer app of the Facebook Messenger. And this was the Android news for Thursday, September 27, 2018. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.